In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly change all caps text to lowercase in Google Docs. This is a simple yet often overlooked tool that can be incredibly handy, especially when dealing with documents where a touch too much enthusiasm led to an overuse of all caps. So let's dive right in and make your documents more reader-friendly with just a few clicks. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Docs document. Start by navigating to docs.google.com in your preferred web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Once you're in, locate and open the document that contains the text you want to modify from all caps to lowercase. You'll find this step straightforward, but remember to ensure you have access to the document if it was shared with you or if there are any permissions required. Now that you have your document open, the next step is to select the specific text you wish to change. This could be a few words, a sentence, or even an entire paragraph that's typed out in all caps. To do this, simply click at the beginning of the text, hold down your mouse button, and drag across until all the text you want to convert is highlighted. Alternatively, if it's a large portion, you can click at the start, hold the Shift key, and then click at the end of the section to select everything in between. Once your text is highlighted, we're ready to change the case with the help of Google Docs' built-in formatting tools. Look at the top menu of your document for the option labeled Format. Give it a click. It's usually located between Insert and Tools. A drop-down menu will appear. Hover your mouse over the text option, which will give you additional choices. From there, find the option that says capitalization. This neat feature is what we'll use to convert your text. It gives you a few different case options. Choose lowercase by clicking on it. And just like that, the text you highlighted will change from all caps to lowercase. It's almost magical how quickly you can transform the look and readability of your document with just these few steps. This easy method can save you a lot of time and effort, especially in lengthy documents or when working under a deadline. Remember, using lowercase can enhance readability and convey your message more effectively, especially in professional settings. Thanks for following along. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to make those all caps annoyances a thing of the past. Keep practicing, and soon it'll become second nature to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your digital life easier.